This lesson covers possessive adjectives. In Spanish, there are short-form and long-form possessive adjectives. The short-form possessive adjectives are more commonly used, and they must agree with the gender and number of the noun being owned. But only the nuestro, nuestra, and vuestro, vuestra forms have separate masculine and feminine forms, so it's not as difficult to remember. Mi, mis, tú, tus, su, sus. Nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras. Vuestro, vuestra, vuestros, vuestras. Su, sus. Short-form possessive adjectives are placed before the noun they describe and are not used with articles. Mi casa es blanca. Mis casas son blancas. Tu libro es negro. Tus libros son negros. Su silla es pequeña. Sus sillas son pequeñas. Nuestro teléfono es roto. Nuestros teléfonos son rotos. Nuestra almohada es roja. Nuestras almohadas son rojas. So all of these possessive adjectives change according to number, but only the nuestro and vuestro forms also change according to gender. Now because su and sus can take on a variety of meanings, it may sometimes be better to refer to possession in this case using a pronoun or name instead. For example, Madrid es la capital de España is more clear than saying su capital es Madrid. El libro de él es en el dormitorio is more clear than saying su libro es en el dormitorio. Long-form possessive adjectives are identical to the possessive pronouns we previously looked at. Mío, mía, míos, mías. Tuyo, tuya, tuyos, tuyas. Suyo, suya, suyos, suyas. Nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras. Vuestro, vuestra, vuestros, vuestras. Suyo, suya, suyos, suyas. Just like possessive pronouns, long-form possessive adjectives must agree with the gender and number of the noun being owned. And long-form possessive adjectives are placed after the nouns they describe. Keep in mind that any of the third-person possessive adjectives can refer to his, hers, yours, or theirs. Generally, we use long-form possessive adjectives to emphasize the owner of something, to contrast one owner with another, or to emphasize a personal relationship. Ay, Dios mío. Necesito estas sillas tuyas. And with the long-form possessive adjectives, you may use articles before the nouns being described. Estoy buscando los libros tuyos. Estas son tus almohadas y estas son las almohadas nuestras. So that covers the basics of short-form and long-form possessive adjectives. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.